Here I have Doogee S70 and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So what you need to do is to just enable Bluetooth, then go to its section, tap pair new device, open the headphones case, and they will enter the pairing mode automatically. And as you can see this Galaxy Buds Live in the available devices here. So just tap on them and after that device will be connected. Maybe there's a problem. Let's try one more time, because it's like don't want to pair. Now it's connecting, and as you can see, device paired. So if you want to remove this device, just tap on the gear icon here and then tap forget, and that's how I can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.